Been doing a bit of chainsaw carving. Time to give the saws a little bit of a maintenance and sharpen up, so they're ready to go for the next round of chainsaw carving. So let's crack on with that and get the job done. So the first thing we need to fix is yesterday when we were running the 026, the primer bubble, because of the age of it, has deteriorated and it's cracked, giving up the ghost. Deteriorated with time and finally cracked and given up the ghost. The plan is to replace that, and I think I've got a spare for it. Somewhere in here. Aha. And I knew I had a spare. I've already replaced one of these on the 250, so I brought a spare, so there we go. It's going to come in handy. Had a bit of work. Right. That just covers the fuel cable. See the two fuel cables in there? There's a spring in there. This is just clipped in, so we should be able to just push it out like that. And that's the old bulb out. Here's the new one. And see how as it ages it deteriorates and turns yellow and goes brittle, and that's why they crack and fall to bits. Poorly designed bloody things. Alright. In line one, fuel line two. That's it. Nice and easy. Give the air filter a clean. Squeeze that back in, clip in the little hole like that. Like that. That. first job done. Next thing is we'll take the chain off and the bar off and give that all a clean. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the tracks out in between the saw. Make sure these little oiling holes here are all clean and clear. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Make sure these oil holes are clear. Little oil holes there. Very important for the oiling of the chain. If those ain't clear, your chain ain't going to get any oil. Nice and clean. Alright, that's the bar cleaned. Snug it down. She's ready to sharpen. Good to go. Important thing about putting a chain on, make sure you put it the right way around. And that's sharpie bits forward. You set the angle. Once you've set the amount of times that you're going to file, you do every tooth exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. That keeps the teeth even. When the teeth are even, the saw will cut straight. If your saw's not cutting straight, have a look at your teeth. You'll see they've been filed uneven or sharpened unevenly, which will cause the saw to pull and not cut straight. So always file your teeth the same amount. Same angle, same amount of files. Set the angle, 4 drawers. Good file too is important. That's it. That's all it needs. Ready to go. This is the little detailing chainsaw. You can see by the small little pointy bar. So it does a fair bit of work, this one. Hence it's covered in muck. We'll strip it out, give her a clean up, get her ready to go.